General Biology 1. Quarter 1. Module 1. Cell, the basic unit of life. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Cells also contain the body's hereditary material and can make copies of themselves. Cells have many parts, each with a different function. Some of these parts, called organelles, are specialized structures that perform certain tasks within the cell. In this lesson, you are to explain the postulates of the cell theory. The three postulates of the cell theory offer the basis on how an organism is considered as a living thing. What is it? Prior to the invention of the very first microscope, everything that could not be seen by the naked eye was unexplainable. In 1665, English physicist Robert Hooke used of the first light microscopes to look at thin slices of plant tissues. One of these, a slice of cork, especially caught his eye. Under the microscope, cork seemed to be made of thousands of tiny chambers. Hooke called this chamber cells because they reminded him of a monastery's tiny rooms, which were also known as cells. Until 1676, Anton van Leeuwenhoek published his observations on tiny living organisms which he named animalcules. It was believed that Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe under his microscope the structure of a red blood cell of different animals as well as a sperm cell. One of the leading botanists in his time, Robert Brown in 1831 was able to compare diverse kinds of plant specimens under the microscope. He markedly indicated that there is a common thing about them: they are all composed of cells, and inside the cell is a dark dense spot which he termed as the nucleus. A few years later, German botanist Matthias Schleiden, 1838, concluded that all plant parts are made of cells. Theodor Schwann, 1839, also a botanist and a close friend of Schleiden, stated that all animal tissues are composed of cells, too. In 1858, Rudolf Virchow concluded that all cells come from pre-existing cells. Figure 1.1. Structure of cork using a microscope as seen by Robert Hooke. 1665, the discoveries made by Hooke, Leeuwenhoek, Schleiden, Schwann, Virchow, and others led to the formulation of the cell theory. The cell theory describes the properties of all cells. This theory can be summed up into three basic components. 1. All living things are composed of one or more cells. 2. The cell is the basic unit of life. And 3. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. End of the lesson. Video made by Vance Herschel, Grade 11, Section Einstein. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lesson by lesson. Also share your knowledge too by answering the question from the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.